Hello there, today I'm going to show you how to dry fresh flowers in the microwave. All you do is just pick your flowers and put them in a book. This is kind of a thicker book. Cut them so that they don't have much of a stem at the bottom. But you don't want to cut the stem completely off because then they'll fall all apart. See, like that's too much of a stem. So I'll take that off. Just clip it off. Use a couple of rubber bands to hold the book taut. Take the book and put it in the microwave. These are teeny tiny flowers, so I'm gonna put it in for 2 minutes. If it was a bigger, thicker flower, maybe 3 or 4 minutes. And it'll come out nice and dried. It's been 2 minutes, so let's see how they are doing. You'll get a feel over time which flowers will take how long. I have a feeling if I just leave them here in the book until the book cools down that they will be dry. I don't want to overcook them because then the color will fade. Use a book that has pages that are kind of rough. You don't want a picture book with the shiny pages. If that's all you have, cardstock paper and put one down, put the flowers on it, and put one on top. Have some beautiful pansies. And when you cut it from the flower, you want to cut it all the way to the bottom. Otherwise, the next pansy won't grow. But then you want to get rid of this stem. You want to cut it all the way to the end, but you don't want to get too close. I always put them upside down to get them to flatten out easier. These pansies are so beautiful. This is purple with yellow in the middle. And this is more of like a tanzanite purple with like a dark purple in the center. And this is sort of like a crimson red with yellow in the center. They must lay flat. Once you pick them, try not to handle them very much. Ones on the end. Beautiful yellow ones with like maroon in the center. Purple and yellow one. Orange and purple. I just bought these in the 6 packs. I don't even plant them. I just leave them in the packets, and I swear every day I go out there and there's a whole new set of pansies. This one's purple, cream, and orange. Isn't that incredible? Journal is full. I'm going to close it gingerly. I put my rubber band around it. Put it in for, let's try 2.5 minutes. Some people microwave frozen food, some people microwave flowers. I will use one of my all-time favorite books, Spirit Hacking by Shaman Durek. Excellent book. And I will put them on several pages. Ooh, this is yellow and purple. Beautiful periwinkle blue. And the dark purple. The purple with the yellow center. Purple and yellow, little baby one. Purple and orange, little baby one. I don't want to overcook them, so I'm going to check. Yes, these are perfectly dry. Perfectly dried. Beautiful. feel like paper, you know. These are done, the little baby ones are anyway. And my book completely broke apart, so I don't know what that means. That's a sign. Never happened with my older book, but my brand new book completely broke apart. Ooh, nice and flat. And definitely cooked. I mean, a minute longer and they would lose their color. So it's really a fine line between them being undercooked and losing their color. It's the periwinkle. Dark purple. The purple with the yellow inside. And all of these are the purple with yellow. Self-love altar. The orange. So beautiful. And they'll stay this color forever. There are other ways of drying flowers. In silica gel, I haven't tried that. I think that would be good if you had a big, like a rose that had lots of layers that you wanted to dry. These are the ones that I let cool overnight in the book. And I just wanted to show you what they look like in the morning. So beautiful. The color is so perfect. So it's better to cook them less and wait until they cool off, and they'll keep their color a lot better. These were the ones that were in the journal. Because if they're still hot, they can still bend, and they still have steam. That means they still have water in them. Here they are. You can see they're pretty much the same color as they were when they were fresh, which is so nice. They're so beautiful. I absolutely love them. I like to put them in cards when I send cards. And I'm going to do a whole line of resin artwork with them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspired you to dry some of your flowers. Namaste.